27 kakukuri.
Matiaswa, yanay kung tita baro ko na pati sa kasus ibukin Kristo.
I'd like to thank
Wa wari gaw tayo na kun di ba nga tabari karawagi i Amerika. Wa wari gaw tayo na kun di ba nga tabari karawagi i Amerika.
so I'll just show you. What I would like you to notice is this. I'll just show you. What I would like you to notice is this.
Tiray kan kausa na ko imin tatayay. Kausa na ko imin tatayay. Ay
This is a couple from Africa, actualized in prayer.
Dama tayo irang banya anata tayo wagi mungkin karinian tayo ng burak.
Over 200 nations,
Wagi mungkin karinian tayo ng burak.
over 200 nations around the world were there.
Enang kon wabubuat tamun may sinaw.
We couldn't find a representative for Kiribati.
Si manay kay makamatay ba ibukin ni Kiribati.
You see?
Amnoria.
That's me. I hold a Kiribati.
Erang kakatong ati waing kay tawat ti burak. Ingeng kay sa Kiribati.
But I represent.
Kakawag pa kain ni angay. Ma, diba yakawag ijay buki yakain ni Kiribati. Age kain ti karisa.
That makes you and I, brothers and sisters. We are family. We have one living God, Father, that we serve.
Ay karikira na banda tayo. Ay ro kon nawiyang.
See, when I see them, I just
Abangay na si Vediagi. Pasinamago.
Kiribati Church, our mission here.
Kain ti karisa yon Kiribati. Ayo si Bangara.
It's time to put away all the differences that separate us.
Sinay bukin ti mago ni bukin ti aswa.
Have a children's story, but this one is.
Nagwawayagara ka nivel. Nagwawayagara ka nivel.
Jonah said, "No, I will go to Joppa."
Yon ata yagi na ko ni nivel.
Jonah said, "No, I will go to Joppa."
Yon ata yagi na ko ni nivel.
He went totally the opposite way.
Enako ako na ko na ti.
He went totally the opposite way.
Enako ako na ko na ti buakay.
So the ship was broken up.
Ayaw ruwag.
The storm that doesn't have an ear listened and ran away.
Yona, ari nga yakatan nga ako ba na riyan natatarong rungay ba yatari nga na, pili na ako, punira na ba, nanun na nasa kami,
Sometimes God uses storms
Kapunga na iyang ibuwa kay, pasino kiriya.
when we run away from Him. We have only 19 points.
Nakawawa. Nakawawa?
God, we know the story. When big storm came and Jonah was hiding,
Ako niya, Yona.
are you not afraid of what is happening?
Wagi, katawro ay met